Welcome to my YouTube channel VP Gupta classes. In previous classes, I had discussed about the rationalization of denominators of class 11th. Okay, now I will discuss about the some selected question related with rationalization of denominators, and these questions carries in the examinations of CBSE board as well as JAC board, and it is a very important questions and also very easy question. How to solve these questions? Let me tell these questions and how to solve these questions. I will explain in this lecture, and almost 5 to 6 questions discussed in lectures related with rationalization of numbers, rationalization of denominator, and it is a very important question. First of all, you can see these two questions. Questions is given these types and said that what is the value of a and b? Find the value of a and b. Then first of all, you can say, first of all, you can solve this and it convert into this types form. Okay, and first of all, you have to take LHS and solve this, and it is a very easily solved by the help of rationalization of denominator, and it had already discussed in previous lectures how to rationalization of denominators. I had discussed in previous lectures. Okay, and first of all, I will tell that what is how find the rationalizing factor of denominators. It had all things discussed in previous lecture. So I will solve these questions in very easy way. First of all, you take from LHS, okay, from LHS and convert into these types. Okay, first of all, we take root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Okay, and how to simplify? First of all, you take rationalizing factors of denominators, and this rationalizing and this denominator has a rationalizing factor is under root 3 plus under root 2. Sign change in these cases, and we multiply by the rationalizing factor of denominators in both numerator and denominator. Okay, and this is root 3 plus root 2. Okay, and you know that this is the root 3 root 2 root 3 root 2. Okay, this will you can say root 3 plus root 2 of whole square, and you can say a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. That means we write root 3 of whole square minus root 3 of whole square. Okay, this is the, and you know that the formula of a plus b of whole square, that is equal to a square here root 3 is in the place of a square plus b square plus 2a and b. Okay, and a square root 3. Okay, and also you can say a square of root 3 is equal to root 9, and a square root of 9 is 3. Okay, 3. This is sorry. This is 2. This is 2. Means of that 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2. And now we can say root 3, that means 3. Okay, 3 plus 2 plus 2 root 6. Okay, divided by 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. Okay, and 3 and 2 add, we have 5 plus 2 root 6. This is our LHS, and it is in the form of a plus b root c. On comparing on comparing on comparing on comparing on comparing you can say on the place of a has 5 and b is 2. Okay, so we can say on comparing, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 2. This is a very easy questions, and this and various type of questions related with this type, and you can easily solve by the rationalizing of denominators. Okay, and first of all you have to learn how rationalization of denominators, and you can see my previous lectures, okay, of class 9th. Now second questions, take second questions, solutions of second question. First of all we take from LHS. Okay, now you can see this is the 5 plus 2 root 3 and divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, and also what is the rationalizing factor of denominator? 7 minus 4 root 3, and we multiply by the rationalizing factors in both numerator and denominator. Okay, now 5 minus 2 root 3 divided by 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay, now this becomes 5 plus 2 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3, and here 7 sevens are 49. Okay, 4 fours are 16, or 16 threes are 48. Okay, now 5 sevens are 35. Now we multiply these two terms. 5 sevens are 35, and positive into negative sign becomes negative, and 5 fours are 20 root 3. Okay, now we multiply by these numbers in both 7 minus 4 root 3 again. So plus into plus means of that plus, and 2 sevens are 14 means of that 14 root 3. Okay, now 2 fours are 8, 2 4 is 8, and 3 3 is 9, and under root 9 square root of 9 is 3. Okay, this is the 3, and you can solve by 1. This is by 1. You can write or not. Okay, now 35 minus 20 and 40. This is the same term, okay, root 3. So we can subtract these two terms, since we know that minus plus subtract, okay. So we subtract this term, and if we subtract 20 minus 40, that is 20 is large number, so that is we subtract, then we have 6 root 3 and also 24. Now subtract this, that means 35 minus 24, that is 11 minus 6 root 3, and this is the form of a plus b root 3. Then on comparing LHS and RHS, so we can say A is equal to 11 and B is equal to minus 6. Since we have, this is the term is positive, so we also write these types, that is 11 plus minus 6 into root 3, that is on the place of B minus 6. So A is equal to 11 and B is equal to minus 6. These types of questions solved by these methods. And now we will take next type of questions, and how to solve I will explain. First of all, you can write, and I will take next two questions. Now I will take next type of questions carry in the examinations. First of all, we given the data, and you give the data of the value of root 5, root 3, and also given here, if given here root 7, root 5, then also given the value of root 7, and he said that find the value of that term. And this is the very easy question, but some students solve by the help of this value, putting this value and getting the result. This is the wrong methods here, because a lack of time. Now I will solve this by the rationalization of denominator. First of all, what is the exact value? Okay, what is the exact value after rationalization of denominators? Then we put the value of root 5 and root 3, and we can also calculate the value of this term. So I will solve these questions. Means of that, we can say the value of 6, okay, 6 under root 5 plus under root 3. First of all, we multiply by the rationalizing factor of denominators in both numerator and denominator, okay. Root 5 minus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3, okay. Now 6 into root 5 minus root 3, okay. Now here a plus b into a minus b, that is we write root 5 of whole square minus root 3 of whole square, okay. Here 6 into root 5 minus root 3, and this types 5 minus 3. Since a square of under root 5 is equal to under root 25, and the square root of 25 is 5, and the same, okay. Now this term is written as 6 into under root 5 minus under root 3 divided by 2. 2 3 ja 6, okay. Now this is the we can write 3 into under root 5 minus under root 3, okay. This is the generalized form. This is the generalized form because denominator has rationalized. Okay, now we put the value of these two terms and getting the result. First of all, 3 into 3, 3 into under root 5. On the place of under root 5, we can write 2.236 minus 1.732. Okay, now 3 into, we subtract this two value, that is subtract 2.23. This is the way of subtracting the decimal numbers. Out of decimals, we can write 732. Okay, and here 1. We subtract this two, 4, 0, and 5, and this is 0. Okay, now we write 0.504 and we multiply by 3. 3 into 0.504. Okay, now 4 3s are 12. Okay, carry 1. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15, and we 1 2 3 and place of 1 2 3. This is our answer. And this type, if this type question carry in the examination, first of all we rationalizing of denominator, and then after putting the value and you get answer. And next type questions is that solve the questions or simplify the questions, and given the data of some types irrational number, that is that has irrational denominators, and adding those terms and how to find the, how to simplify, and next type questions I will take. Okay, you can write. I will take these questions, and how to solve this. I will solve these questions. In examinations, you can say solve these questions, okay, and simplify these terms. You can see 2 root 6 by under root 2 plus under root 3 and these types. Okay, then you, if you solve by the help of rule of in previous classes, that means 6 7 8, that is a we take LCM, these types questions. If you solve this type, you have to spend very large time, and you cannot solve. Okay, first of all, if you given the this types questions, you will have rationalization of denominator. Okay, first of all I will solve these questions, these types. Okay, first of all you can write 2 root 6 divided by under root 2 plus under root 3. Okay, and multiply by the rationalizing factor. If we want to rationalization of these denominators, then we have to multiply by rationalizing factor of denominators. Okay, in numerator and denominator. First of all we multiply root 3 minus, sorry, root 2 minus root 3 divided by root 2 minus root 3. Okay, then now sign of addition. Okay, 6 root 2. Okay, now root 6 plus root 3, but also it has rationalized, that is by rationalizing factor. Root 6 minus root 3 divided by root 6 minus root 3, and here sign of negative. And also we take 8 root 3 divided by under root 6 plus under root 2, and we multiply under root 6 minus under root 2 by under root 6 minus under root 2. Okay. And now we multiply these two terms, that is 2 root 6 into under root 2 minus under root 3, and by applying a plus b into a minus b, we have minus 1, that is square root of 4 is 2, okay, and 9 is 3. If we subtract 3 from 2, then I will get minus 1, okay. This term written, okay, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, and we multiply these two terms, okay. Here sign of positive and additions, okay. 6 root 2 into root 6 minus under root 3 divided by, okay, 6 is 36, and square root of 36 is 6 minus 3, okay. Now minus also 8 root 3 into under root 6 minus under root 2 divided by 6 minus also 2, okay. And next term I will write these types and multiply also, okay. 2 ones are 2, okay, 2 ones are 2, and root 6 and root 2, root 6 into root 2 is equal to root 12, and you can write to root 12 is equal to 2 to the 4 root 3, that is, you also write this term 2 to the 4 3 the 6, 2 to the 4 3 the 12, and 2 term out of the root and left root 3, okay. This types written, okay. Root 12 is written this types 2 root 3, okay. Now 2 root 18, 6 3 is 18, and 3 3 is 9, 2 is 8, and also you can write these types. First of all, plus into minus is minus, and 2 ones are 2, and also 3 3 is 9 root 2, 3 3 is 9 2, 9 2 is 18, okay. I will write this term, and also by minus 1, okay, plus I will this is also multiply 6 into under root 2 divided into under root 6 minus under root 3 divided 3 minus 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 8 root 3 into under root 6 minus under root 2 divided by 4. 4 2 is 8, okay. 4 2 is 8, 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. And now here 2 2 is 4 root 3 minus 2 3 is 6 root 2. 2 3 is 6, and we take common negative sign, then it becomes minus and it becomes positive, okay. Here minus 1, okay. Now here positive sign. Also 2 root 6 multiply root 6 into root 2 is root 12, and 2 root 3, 2 2 is 4 3 is 12, and also 2 2 is 4 root 3, okay, minus here 2 root 2 3 is 6, okay. Now here 2 3 is 2, 6 3 is 18, and 3 3 is 9 2 is 18, and 3 2 is 6, and 6 root 2. Okay, now here positive signs, since this is the negative signs, okay, and minus into minus is equal to plus, okay, and here 2 root 6 minus 4 root 3, 4 root 3 cancel, 6 root 2, 6 root 2 cancel, okay, sorry, 2 root 6, 2 root 6, 6 root 2, 6 root 2 khatam, and our answer is 0. We simplify this term by the help of rationalization of denominator, and it is a very simple and easy questions, and various types of questions carries in the examinations based on the rationalization of denominator, and you can easily solve by the help of rationalization. Here you can say this type questions, you have to given this types additions, okay, and proof this is equal to 2, and it is also very easy questions, and it is also solved in very easy way by the help of by the methods of rationalization of denominator, and I will solve these questions in very easy way, and also you can solve. First of all, you have to rationalization of this terms, these denominators of all the terms, okay. First of all, we rationalizations, and we rationalization, then you multiply by the rationalizing factor above and below, means of that numerator and denominator, and we one step escape, okay, and write the terms of rationalization, okay. First of all, we multiply, then 1 into 1 minus under root 2 by the rationalization of this term, okay. That is what is you observed, 1 minus 2, okay, plus this is also under root 2 minus under root 3, okay, and now 2 minus 3, okay. Also this is under root 3 plus under root 4, means of that minus, and here 3 minus 4, okay, plus under root 4 minus under root 5 and divided by 4 minus 5, okay. Now plus under root 5 minus under root 6 divided by 5 minus 6, okay, plus under root 7 minus under root 6 minus under root 7 by 6 minus 7, okay, plus under root 7 minus under root 8 divided by 7 minus 8, okay, plus under root 8 minus under root 9 divided by 8 minus 9. This is, you can write these types, and how one term you can see 1 plus under root 2, okay, rationalizing by denominators, 1 plus sign change, 1 minus under root 2 carry means of that 1 minus under root 2 ka whole square, that is equal to, you multiply by 1 means of that 1 minus under root 2 divided by 1 minus root 2 of whole squares, that is equal to root 2 of whole square, root 4 and square root of 4 is 2, that is equal to minus 1, okay. And this terms we can escape this term and write these types, okay. So you can escape in the examinations if you if you gain these terms. Okay, now you multiply these terms 1. Okay, and here you can observe in all terms this is the -1. Okay, this is -1, and we take common, then above the equations which is positive is which is positive in is negative, and negative term is positive. Okay, now take that terms. This is, okay, this is this is -1. Okay, and this is a positive term, means of that root 2, and this is the positive term. Okay, this is the this is the positive term, that means negative term is positive. Okay, plus root 4. This is also minus under root 4 plus under root 5, minus under root 5 plus under root 6, minus under root 6 plus under root 7, minus under root 7 plus under root 8, minus under root 8 minus under root 8 plus under root 9. Okay, and you will also see that root 2 cancel, root 3 root 3, root 4 root 4, root 5 root 5, root 6 root 6, root 7 root 7, root 8 root 8. Okay, we have minus 3 plus under root 9, that is a minus 3, sorry, minus 1 na? Okay, minus 1, and this is 3. Okay, square root of 3, that is called to 2. This is our answer, and it is a very easy questions. You can solve in very easy way if you if given in the examinations, and you have to learn one term, rationalization of denominators. And next lectures of class 9th is also some 3 or 6 question based on the rationalization of denominator, which is different from these types of questions, and I will explain. Then after we will start new sections. Okay, that's all for